Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can chat and contact eBay customer service. Now first you want to scroll down. You just need to open your eBay. By the way, you can do the exact same steps inside the app inside your phone. So you just need to scroll down at the very bottom, and then you want to click here under help and contact. You want to click on contact us. Alright, now after you are in this page, you just need to scroll down at the very bottom, and then in the left you want to click on contact us. Okay, now after you click on contact us, they will give you what is the reason, like why you want to contact as a seller or as a buyer. Now for example, if you are a seller, you want to click on selling, and then you can choose any reason here, doesn't matter. Okay, and then scroll down. Okay, and then here you will click on chat with our automated assistant. Now don't worry, you can get a call, like they will call you directly. If you can see here like call now or enter your number, enter it here. If you don't see it, click on chat with our automated assistant, and now you can just explain everything here, and then they will give you an option to get a call from them directly. For example, I'm going to say something like I have a problem, and then it will say, the robot will say selling or buying. I'm going to click on selling, and I'm going to click on create more options, and I'm going to click on something else so that you can get me to a real human. After that, it says, let's see if I can better help you in a few words. Let me know what you need. I need to talk to someone. Okay, just to get you to someone to talk to. Now after they ask you some questions, like before we connect you with someone, please tell us what do you need help with. I'm going to select, for example, payments on hold, for example, and then sure, I can help you connect you with an agent currently. You can send us an email. So you can depending on your country, you will either like give you an option to send an email or a call, to get a call, and then you want to enter your number, your phone number, and then you will call you within a few minutes. So like I said, just this depends on your country. If you live in United States, you will be able to call them directly. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. See you in the next. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.